GST refunds are big source of working capital for many exporters. But what if your refund application gets rejected because of small filing mistakes? Let's talk about 6 refund errors which can silently mess with your cash flows. Delays in GST refunds or refund rejections can lead to a situation where you are cash trapped, or it can affect your payroll, vendor payments, and even your business growth. And the good part is that most of these issues can be avoided if you avoid making these 6 errors while filing your refund application.
Hi, I am Pradeep Reddy, a chartered accountant with over 10 years of experience in customs duty, GST, foreign trade policy, and VAT. Over the years, I had the opportunity to work with businesses of various sizes, handling their tax disputes, helping them claim their refunds faster, and also handle their whole gamut of tax complaints.
Watch till the end. I'll take you through what are those 6 errors and how to fix them all together so that your refunds are quick. Number 1. Mismatch in the value of exports declared in GSTR 1. Export value declared in all these 3 documents is same. Otherwise, it can lead to mismatch and it can lead to delay or rejection of refunds. Number 2. No endorsement on the GST invoice from the SEZ officer. In case you are claiming refund on account of supply of goods or services to a SEZ unit, ensure that you get an endorsement on the GST invoice so that your refund application gets processed smoothly. Number 3. Missing Softex filing or STP registration. If you are an exporter of IT or IT enabled service, ensure that you obtain STP registration and file your Softex so that you can easily obtain bank realization certificate, which is a mandatory document to claim GST refund. Number 4. Wrong debit sequence with respect to the input tax credit. As per Circular 125, when you are claiming refund of input tax credit on account of export of goods or services or supplies to SEZs, the input tax credit has to be debited in the following manner. First, input tax credit has to be debited from IGST account, and then balance amount has to be debited from CGST and SGST equally. If this order is not followed, it may result in rejection of refund. Therefore, ensure that you follow this debit sequence. Number 5. Export price of a product is more than 150% of the domestic sale price of the same or similar product. As per Rule 895 of the CGST rule, export price of a product should not be more than 150% of the domestic sale price of such product. Therefore, ensure that your export value does not exceed 150% of the domestic price. Number 6. Not fulfilling the conditions to qualify for export of service. Key conditions being non-receipt of foreign exchange or place of supply not being in India. Therefore, please ensure that for all your export of service, you receive the sale consideration in foreign currency and the place of supply is outside India. It may get tricky in case of sales and marketing services provided to foreign companies, which may get qualified as a intermediary services, thereby not getting qualified as export of service and leading to rejection of GST refund. Therefore, ensure that the place of supply is outside India for all the services which you claim for refund. Next time when you file refund, ensure that these 6 errors are not repeated. If you find this video helpful, follow me for more such videos. See you in my next video.